In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove backgrounds from any videos of your choice. I will be wondering how to start creating or shooting that video due to lack of good background in your location. Worry not, as I will be teaching you how to remove background from any video of your choice. All you have to do is to watch this tutorial from the beginning to the end so you won't miss any steps in what I'm going to show you. Please, in case you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click that subscribe button, click the notification bell so you get notified when I drop new video. After watching this video, let me know your thoughts and opinion in the comment section, and please comment below, like this video, as I will be showing you awesome steps and tricks on how to remove background from your videos. I noticed that a lot of people do not have the green background or anything. Don't worry, as I will be showing you how to remove background from your videos and make your videos look awesome and professional. Without further ado, let us jump into the tutorial. The app we shall be using for this video is called Capcut. Yes, Capcut is one of the best video editing apps out there and you will surely love it. So in case you don't have Capcut installed on your phone, kindly go to Google Play Store and install it. So let's head over to Google Play Store and search for Capcut. Capcut. So search. As you can see, I already have it installed on my phone. So Capcut has so many features. You can also use it to edit videos, not only to remove background. So since I have it on my phone, let's go over and open Capcut. So we are now on Capcut homepage now. What we have to do now is click on new project, but here you have to import the photo, the background we like to use for your video. So import it, click on add. So this is the image you want to use for a background, and click on format to change it to your required size depending on the platform you are uploading your videos to. So don't forget that if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about this video as you are watching. Comments below. So next step is to click on overlay. We are bringing the video we want to remove the background in now. So you click on your videos. And you import the video. So I'm working with this video. So this video I'm going to be working with. As you can see that the video still has the background which we want to remove. So by the end of this video, the background will look cool with this video. So you have to extend the background to be of same size with the video you want to edit. So I've done that already. Just done that now. So next step is to click on overlay and click on the video. So you click on cut out. After the cut out, you click on remove background. As you can see, it's removing the background. We are 0%, so it's fast. It doesn't take time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's very important so you won't miss other awesome tips I'm going to drop you on this channel. So guys, the background is already removed, so you resize the video to suit the size, the scale of the video of the background. So let us play the video now. As you can see, it's really good looking. It's great. As you can see, it's great. It's amazing. So guys, this is it. So the next thing to do now is to click on adjust. So we want to adjust the color and everything that has to do with the video, the brightness. So we might want to increase the brightness of the video to go along with the background, and the saturation, I think, does it have anything to do? Yes, I think so. So once you play the video, everything goes perfectly. So just play around with it. It's awesome. So you can see it's as if the video was shot with that background. So it's very easy to do this. Let me know any challenges you are facing in the comment section below, and I will try my possible best to respond to all of them. So the next thing to do is to save our video. So we are saving our video now. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know your comments below. If you have any challenges, I will surely respond to all of them. So we are currently saving our video. So our video is saved, as you can see. So we are done. So click on done. So guys, let me know your thoughts and your opinion in the comment section below. Please hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the like button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.